Why do some people tell the world everything they're doing, while others stay silent and somehow keep winning? Here's the strange part. The more people know about your life, the less control you often have over it. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why the most powerful move might be saying less. Most people leak their goals, emotions, plans, and attention every day. The cost? Validation addiction, pressure, distraction. But if you stay, you'll discover a psychological advantage hidden people use without realizing it. Insight number 1, privacy protects focus. Every time you announce a goal, your brain gets a small reward before you've earned it. That's why some people post the journey, while others quietly build the result. And the second group usually wins. Insight number 2, information is leverage. The less predictable you are, the harder you are to manipulate. Companies study your behavior. People judge your choices. Algorithms track your attention. The less you reveal, the more freedom you keep. But there's a deeper reason. Insight number 3, silence creates power. People assume power comes from being seen. Often it comes from being unreadable. Not because you're hiding, because you're building. The goal isn't secrecy, it's ownership. Private people aren't disconnected from the world. They're connected to themselves. And in a world where everyone is broadcasting, attention becomes valuable, but privacy becomes rare. Which raises a disturbing question.